Can you solve this algebra problem? Because most will get this wrong. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this problem down below. So we have 36 divided by 3, parentheses, 5 minus 3, and parentheses, squared. Since we have multiple operations within this same problem, we're going to need to make sure that we're following the order of operations. And we can see the acronym of PEMDAS for the order of operations on the left-hand side here. The P stands for parentheses, so we're going to solve within the parentheses first. So we're going to subtract 3 from 5. Well, when we do this, we're left with 2, then we're going to put our parentheses back over the 2, we're going to put our squared, and then we're going to drop down the rest of this problem. So we have 36 divided by 3. Since we don't have anything else to solve within parentheses, we're going to move on to the next priority, which is to solve for any exponents. And we do have an exponent here that belongs to the 2 within parentheses. So since that 2 has an exponent of 2 or 2 squared, that tells us that our base of 2 is going to be multiplied by itself twice. So we're going to be multiplying 2 times 2, which we know gives us 4. So we're going to write the 4, but we're going to keep the parentheses still, and then we're going to drop down the rest of this problem. So we have 36 divided by 3. Since we don't have any more exponents, we're going to move on to our next priority of multiplying or dividing. And since we have both division and multiplication in this same problem, we're going to move from left to right because multiplying and dividing are the same priority. So first, we're going to divide 36 by 3, which we know gives us 12. So we're going to write the 12, and then we have parentheses 4. And since we have a parentheses here with no other operation between that, that means that we're going to be multiplying 12 times 4 because the parentheses here with nothing between it means that we're going to be multiplying. And when we multiply 12 times 4, we get 48. So our answer is C for 48. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.